May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7, Your Lordship. Let this matter be taking up to 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Yeah,
So last, I am for the petitioner, my lord, because continuously taking time, so it may be allowed, my
Because
lord.
the conducting counsel, he is in bereavement, Your Lordship.
bereavement?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Oh, Mr. Day. Mr. Day, what happened?
His own uncle expired, Your Lordship.
It may be allowed, my lord.
Accommodation has been sought for on behalf of the respondent, on behalf of the learned
One to
counsel for
three.
respondent 1, 2, and 3, who is said to be in bereavement. On the same not being objected to by the petitioner, that is adjourned. This is him after 3 weeks.
Much obliged.
Lordship, item number 6 of the hearing list, Your Lordship. I need some accommodation for 2 weeks, Your Lordship, because I joined today, so I'm yet on behalf of respondent number 5 and 6.
On premium by respondent 5 and 6 are objected to by petitioner. This is matter after
After 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks.
Much obliged.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to make a mention item number 2.
I think I've made it clear that this matter no adjournment is to be given. Who's leading you?
Mr. Paul, Your Lordship.
He was here.
Lordship, he's having some difficulties, Your Lordship, and he had to leave the court premises, Your Lordship.
This will not do.
My lord, there will be for 1 week.
Prayers made on behalf of the petitioner seeking accommodation on the ground of personal difficulty of the learned senior counsel. Who is conducting the matter? The respondent has no objection to the prayer made, but has, however, pointed out that this matter is a long pending matter and the same may be disposed of expeditiously. On permit, this seems allowed, however, it is made clear that no further adjournment will be given. This is matter to 2 weeks.
Lordship, similar prayer for item number 3, Your Lordship.
No objections, my lord.
You're for?
I'm for the respondent, Your Lordship, in this matter.
Yes, Mr.
If your lordships may kindly have it sometime next week, my lord, because this matter requires to be disposed of. Since 2017, there has been no recruitment of Ayush doctor in the state, my lord, because of the pendency of this matter. So, my lord,
Is it so? Is
yes,
there any interim?
there's no interim, but no steps have been taken. So there's a lot of pressure from other candidates who desire future appointments. So
Is the selection process in question here?
yes, my lord. The previous one, my lord. In fact, the allegation is that there's some unfair means because one of the interview board members was a Kur, my lord, same clan, Lalu, my lord. But in the finding, there was no findings and the selection process was scrapped. So therefore, we are challenging that without any finding, you cannot just...
If there's the presence of any person for that matter, that is with regard to one of the members of the interview board.
Board, my lord.
But the interview board, you see, the decision would be a collective one.
Yes, my lord. Certainly. Certainly, my lord. And in fact, upon inquiry, nothing was found because the allegation was that there's a relation, we are related. But in the inquiry, it came out we are not related. It's just a matter of being the same clan. So on that ground, my lord, it was next week sometime because normally Mr. Paul, midweek, he is in town. So we can have sometime midweek, my lord.
On pre-made by the parties, this is matter of the 1 week.
21st, my lord. Deep.
When did you see? 21st?
21st.
So that will not be 1
Oh,
week.
sorry, my lord. Today we are on 19th. My lord, that would be 28th, 27, 28.
Tashubu 28.
Daily list item number 1.
What is this matter?
Please, Your Lordship, I'm entering NPR appearance. I just filed the power this morning for respondent number 4 to 10, Your Lordship.
4 to 10. 4 to 10.
Yes, what is this matter about? Yes.
Your Lordship, here we are challenging the order passed by the KHDC where we have been restrained to interfere with the administration of the villages, Your Lordship, respondent villages.
Who are you?
Shanat Right Ring, Your Lordship.
You are
Sardar.
there? Sardar.
Sardar, yes, Your Lordship.
Any proceeding against you?
Your Lord.
No, Your Lordship, in this matter, what happened, Your Lordship? The Snap Right Ring, Sardar Snap Right Ring, and the headman of Ring is the same person, Your Lordship. So what happened, the district council streamlined, Your Lordship, that the Sardar of Snap Right Ring cannot be the headman of Ring because under Snap Right Ring there are 7 villages. So there's a conflict because it's the same person holding as a Sardar of Rangba Ashnong and the same person holding as a Sardar of Snap Right Ring.
Yes. So where is
because
the conflict there? You see,
Sardar right is the right is
yes, not right ring means what?
Is
There's a composition of about 7 villages.
Yes, Your Lordship.
7 villages.
Yes,
So he is the Sardar of those villages.
no different Sardar, Your Lordship, different headman. But the headman of one village, of one unit, one village, Tendring village, is the Sardar of this not right ring of the whole.
Exactly.
Yes. Now what happened?
So he holds a dual post.
Cannot hold a dual post. That's why
dual function.
this council has streamlined, Your Lordship. Against that order, they have come to correct the standard of the, has asked the CM of Kairim to correct. It cannot be the same person cannot be 2 posts, Your Lordship. Because the headman in the STF committee, Your Lordship, the several headmans are the members.
So these functions are prescribed under the relevant rules.
Till now, the 1959 rules, Your Lordship. The definition of headman is different. The definition of Sardar right is different, Your Lordship. Now, what happened, Your Lordship? Till now the Kairim Simship does not have separate rules. It comes under the chief and headmanship 1959 Your Lordship. Lordship, let this matter come up. We'll file counter, Lordship. Maybe I need 3 weeks because 7 villages, Your Lordship.
23
3 weeks. Translation also added.
Mr. Bikram, the council has entered appearance on behalf of the respondents number
4 to 10. Lordship.
4 to 10 and has sought for time to. You have not filed the power.
I just this morning, Lordship.
You have filed.
You have filed.
And has sought for time to file the counter affidavit on behalf of the said respondents.
Your Lordship.
Any counter filed by the.
That's it, Lordship.
Your Lordship, we've also filed this missed case, Your Lordship, to stay the operation of the order passed by the Executive Committee KHDC.
If that would have a bearing and the effect on the whole case as a whole,
And Your Lordship,
issue as a whole, then
Your Lordship, the order has been passed 30th May 2023, last year, almost 1 year. They came to challenge now after 9-10 months.
we will take up the.
Yes,
more often than not, this court, it's not inclined to take up these issues in piecemeal.
Yes, sir.
We'll decide the matter as a whole. Only if there is, urgency in the matter.
Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Kinta, you are there.
1, 2, 3, Your Lordship.
So I played 3 weeks, Lordship, because 7 village will be.
On pre-made, this is matter to 3 weeks.
Much obliged.
Item number 4.
Item 4 and 5 are connected, my lord. This is a slightly lengthy matter, my lord. My lord, I would pray if I may be given an opportunity of preparing a list of dates, because there was a previous litigation also, And if convenient to your lordships, subject to what my learned friends have to say, if your lordships can have it this Thursday, I'll just prepare a short list of dates, my lord, because those previous events will have a bearing. But my lord, the issue is very small, prolonged suspension, my lord.
Oh, I think the stand of the state is a
That we have
abandonment of
abandoned.
a
Yes, my lord. So I want to show by the list of dates, my lord, without going through all the documents too much, my lord, that at no point in time we have abandoned. There was a dispute between two schools, my lord. We as teachers, we got entangled in between, my lord. And upon the government conducting an inquiry, when the government then gave a finding that no, a particular school A is the proper school, then, my lord, we have sought to rejoin the school, but we have been put on suspension since 2014 till date, my lord, with no action, my lord, no disciplinary proceedings, no nothing. So just a short list of dates, my lord, if convenient to your lordships, this Thursday.
What is the allegation against you?
My lord, allegation is absence from duty. Absence from duty since we were working in the previous, in the other school, which was under dispute. School by the same name, A and B, my lord. We were appointed by the then secretary of that particular school, so we continued with that. So the dispute went on, carried on for many years till this honorable court in 2013 directed the state government to conduct an inquiry. Inquiry was conducted, then it came in favor of a certain party, in which school we were not working. Now on that basis we were suspended, and till date no proceedings.
What about the other school is no longer functioning?
Now no more, my lord. After
has it merged with the other school? I mean, for example, you see,
yes, my lord.
If a school is no longer functioning,
yes,
what about the students? What about the infrastructure? What about the teachers and staff? What happens to them?
Teachers, we were the teachers, my lord, two of us.
There are only two teachers?
Two teachers, my lord. So, my lord, after the decision of the government, the inquiry, that school had closed down, my lord. Now the other school, they are not willing to take us. On their recommendation, we have been suspended, approved by the DSEO, my lord, and no action till date. So, my lord, I'll prepare a list of dates. If convenient to your lordships, we'll have it on Thursday.
Were you in the center of the controversy as far as the two schools are concerned?
No, my lord.
You were not part of
the controversy was between the my lord, the
managing
Catholic school and the one private party. We were just teachers, my lord. We were just teachers. All we sought for was, my lord, we had asked for salary which we did not get paid. So after the inquiry was conducted and finding given, then we sought for.
Why would you be discriminated? I think you have to.
I'll just prepare a list of dates, my lord, for convenience of your lordships and also my learned friends, my lord. We can, if convenient to your lordship, Thursday, my lord, I'll be ready.
For no fault of theirs, they should not be discriminated.
That is their version, your lordship. Our version is different, your lordship, because this belong to the split group, your lordship. Yes. They follow the leader who has not been recognized by the government, your lordship. In spite of the fact that they were called to join the service, they never. There was an inquiry. The report of the inquiry is very clear, your lordship, that they were part and parcel of the group who broke away from that original school.
So it's an issue of alliance for the.
Your lordship, or something like that, your lordship.
On prayer made by the counsel for the petitioner, who has submitted that we be allowed to file a compilation as far as this matter is concerned. Compilation before the matter is finally heard. Matter is adjourned for the day.
Well, if convenience your lordships, this Thursday, 22nd.
We'll do it after.
Let it be after 10 days, your lordship. After 10 days, your lordship. Not this week, your lordship. I have.
This is matter after 10 days.
Oblige, your lordship.
Item number 8.
Excuse me.
May it please, your lordship. Lordship, in this matter, we are yet to file a written argument, your lordship. I pray for 2 weeks' time, your lordship, to file a written argument.
So many time has been given to you. See, now you are filing the written argument. Perhaps oral argument has already been advanced.
My lord, to some extent, my lord, the issue was discussed. We had basically relied upon that the division bench of the Guwahati High Court has already given a ruling on this matter.
So it's a covered case.
We would like to proceed in that line.
Now I've already forgotten what has been submitted. So you have to again refresh the court.
My lord, definitely. Let them file, my lord. We will get back with a short argument.
2 more weeks time, Your Lordship.
And the counsel for the respondent has once again sought for time to file the written argument on the ground that the same could not be prepared today. The prayer not being objected to by the petitioner, the same is allowed. This is matter up to 2 weeks.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Good day.